let's dive into the session. So, before that, I would like to market myself for 1 minute, right? So, I'm a Microsoft Core Solution Architect. I recently joined Microsoft. Also, I was a full-stack developer before. So, I was working with AngularJS and Angular for around 8 years. These days, I don't get time much to code, but I'm still involved in coding. Apart from that, I run these communities in Sri Lanka, and also you can access me from these links. So, you will be getting access to the site. And these are the recommendations as we mentioned earlier. Apart from that, I am a community member in OpenFast. If you are talking about open source, you can be a part of that community and you will get a lot of stripes. Alright? Okay. Before I talk about this particular topic, let's play a game. I want 2 volunteers to come forward. Let's play a game. You will get some cool swag. I have one with me. Yeah, come forward. And one girl, probably, yes. This is the spirit I see in Nepal, right? Yeah. So if you see, I have this particular game, which is going to demonstrate today. So you all can access through this particular link if you want to play this game. I have a beautiful background of Nepal here. So what this game does is, you will be seeing the camera and there will be some emojis which are falling from the top. You have to act accordingly to the emojis. If the emotion is anger, then you have to show anger. And if the emotion is surprise, then you have to show surprise. So let's play the first round. I will refresh it. So at the end of the game, we will compare these 2 scores and we will see who are the winners. Yeah. What is falling? Oh, I will duplicate it. He is not able to see, so I will duplicate the screen for now. Yeah, now you can see that. So use the camera and there will be your chance. So there should be score. I don't see it now. So he scored 48 at the end of 3 rounds. Oh, 100. So that exactly matters. The last round. All right, you have scored 246 at the end of 5 rounds. Remember your score. Let's go to the second round. You can, 246. Probably the demo is not working. Yeah. You didn't score anything. Surprise. Oh. 8-0. Probably the demo is not working. Okay. Yeah. All right. I think there should be a issue. But typical developer, right? So I will give you another chance in local, so you can try. Yes. Oh. Angry. I know you are angry. Again angry. Okay, probably we can stop here. So he will be the winner because he has acted, yeah. Since you are, so you have a, so